Ready to go outside, Zoe? Yeah. Neither am I. Okay, well, wish us luck. What's up with everyone in their Kobelkos? Around us, all we got John Deere, Cat. Well, I guess we got Bobcat, if you think that's really an option. Oh my. The plastic's still on it. She's gonna be sweet. She's got like a flat screen TV. Oh, baby. Oh yeah, she's beautiful.
Which way is the top?
Yeah, that one's the bottom. This one's the top.
This is top?
I think so.
Sorry. That's upside down.
It don't matter. Push up a little. Yep. Money, dude.
I've not lowered a standard yet.
Pre-ripping. Here's the cut we gotta go through.
At the start of YouTube, I'd like to show off a little bit what I'm down, we're going down, man down. They always like that on YouTube.
Hey, rock and roll.
Okay, can you see it?
Barely.
Down. You're on the bottom.
Ah! It's a new machine for me.
He acts like he's never ran this thing.
Dude, it is finicky.
Looks like about go. Down just a tickle.
I didn't even touch anything.
Right, what's that on? The cap slightly. All right. Yeah. Go that way first, Dave, before you get it in the hole. Okay? Stick her in. No, we want it out the back, don't we? I'm sorry, go back up. More like that. Yeah, set her in, Abe. Got it.
Yahtzee. Got a big old cut ahead of us. We pre-ripped, hit some rocks, so we got to get them out. Have any words of encouragement?
We'll get it done.
Hot diggity. They're getting our pipes strung out, laid out in the right places. Andale, andale, andale. Here's where we're outletting. Got a rock
Here comes
right
Bob.
there. Oh yeah. Big hoe coming through. Well, that's the fastest start we've ever dug. 3 scoops, boys. That's all it took. She's mint. Yep.
Looking really good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You got the shovel?
Yeah. Those might be done by now. Okay, how's our strap look?
It looks good.
I got the pipe.
How's our strap look?
Looks
I
good.
forget how we want it. Just like we want it to the top.
You want it
yeah.
to the bottom.
To the bottom. Yep, just like that. Yep. Then he gets it out the back. I've done it a couple times. If there's the right. It's all you now, buddy.
He's gonna have to get better bite on it.
Okay, hold up. Loosen him up.
Said they've done this a couple times.
Hold on.
Got pulled out back into the boots. Kind of sucks. Ready? Oh! Yeah.
Okie dokie.
You get it?
Not yet. Ready?
Yep. Oh! Put that on the cracker, dude.
Okay, outlet's coming your way.
You just pull up for a little ways.
Yeah, 'cause it's so cavey.
Sure.
We'll just get it to where you say good, and we'll start feeding the pipe.
I'd say
Just gonna swing this into the theater and then we'll be rocking and rolling.
This is all solid.
They got sand down here, or up here, that's why it's solid.
No.
I mean, look at that. It's for the YouTube, not for you, bud.
Yeah, sand down there.
He's digging all the rocks out of our way, making it nice for us. What a nice guy.
Yeah,
Meanwhile, we got everybody hands on deck putting the couple together.
I want to say something.
We're gonna try something new. It's called flip it and float and go. Up here in northern Indiana, I guess they have a lot of sand up here. You can build a sandcastle out of that. That's like pure sand. But it's a good thing we pre-ripped because we hit 5 rocks and a slab of concrete. It really saved our bacon today. That would have been a struggle bus, let me tell you. But nonetheless, let's roll, baby. We made it in the cut finally. It's about a 4-foot cut. It's going pretty smooth. Just making sure the pipe goes in the boot pretty good. It's working pretty good. Big walk, I tell you what. Going pretty good. Let's ride.
Am I doing anything wrong?
No, I don't think so.
You're too slow.
I'm looking down.
I'm gonna tape his mouth real quick.
See if he can do it.
We're gonna throw down, baby.
Yeah, get your hog slicer out.
Yeah. When I'm done, it's the back end of the plate, you dummy. When I'm done with you, you'll be pissing a double stream.
The deepest part was 9 foot. It is 10:55. And we did half a mile before lunch. That's a pretty good day. A dang good day. Shoo! Rock on.
Is aerating the soil and bringing nutrients, allowing the corn plant to thrive.
Nice. Now we just gotta change the breaker plate, the boot, the power feeder, put on the 6-inch boot, get it ready to move, then we'll be out of here.
And here we are, finishing things up. We got the last of it tied up.
Hey, you know that's the phone, right? Grown man holding a little boy's tractor.
Hey.
What do you think the rest of the world thinks of tiling guys?
Well, it's a shame that we have to deal with tilers that are inferior, but this bunch I've worked with today, top of the line, top shelf. One of them, he used to be a woman.
No, I'm not.
Used to be a woman, but you know, Can you put that on there?
No.
It sings out, it sings out. Shut the cameras down! Shut the cameras down, it sings out!
Toodles.
It's like falls over.
Should we push him over?
No! It'll hurt. Don't do it. It's bouncy.
Oh!
Woo!
Okay.
I'm good. Get out of there. I'm good. I bet I can hop it. Jump out of the top. Think I can bunny hop it? Try it. Try it. You will.
You good? You good? You good?
I had to pour.